Hey my friend, this is Joey, and in this video we'll learn to write a program that converts temperature in Celsius to temperature in Fahrenheit. Let's begin writing the program straight away. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because that way you don't miss out on any new videos of Python coding interview questions I create. We begin with writing the main function first. So let me type main, and there you go, main function created. Then we write the code to take the temperature in Celsius from the console. So it will be temp underscore cell. This is the variable in which we are going to store the temperature in Celsius. Then we are going to make use of the input function, within which we'll enter the message, enter the temperature in Celsius. Alright. And we will have to typecast this into float, because input function always returns string. Now, to convert temperature in Celsius to temperature in Fahrenheit, the formula is to multiply the temperature in Celsius with 1.8 first, and then add 32 to the multiplication result. So let's do this. So it will be temperature underscore cell multiplied by 1.8. We are going to take this expression within brackets, and then we are going to add 32 to the multiplication result. And the result of this entire mathematical expression we are going to store in a variable temp underscore FAH, which will be our temperature in Fahrenheit. Let's now print the output in style. So it will be print, in which we'll enter the message temperature, curly braces, within which we will write 0:0.2 F. This is to display the temperature in Celsius to 2 decimal places. Then we'll write in Celsius is equal to temperature, curly braces again, within which we'll write 1:0.2 F in Fahrenheit. Finally, within format, we pass the two variables. So it will be temp underscore cell first, and then temp underscore FAH. Make sense? That's it. Job done. Now let's run the program and check the output. Alright, it's asking me to enter the temperature in Celsius. Let me maximize that a bit. Let me enter 40. Hit enter. And there you go. The program says that 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 104 Fahrenheit. You can Google it. It will be the same. And if you want to convert this temperature in Fahrenheit back to Celsius, then we simply declare another variable. We call it temp underscore Celsius again. And after the equals to sign, we write an expression which will be temp underscore FAH minus 32, and we take this expression within brackets, and then we divide this expression by 1.8. It's the reverse of what we did over here. Now let's print this variable temp Celsius again. So we copy this line of code from here and paste it over here, and we do a slight modification by interchanging the words. So instead of Celsius, it will be Fahrenheit, and instead of Fahrenheit, it will be Celsius. And of course, we'll have to change the variables over here as well. So it will be temp underscore FAH as the first variable inside format, and the second variable will be temp Celsius again. There you go. Job done. So let's run the program again. Okay, it is asking me to enter the temperature in Celsius again. I'll enter 38 this time. Alright, you can see that the program converted the temperature 38 degrees Celsius into 100.40 Fahrenheit, and then the program reconverted this 100.40 Fahrenheit into 38 degrees Celsius. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.